This is a place where dentists, dental hygienists, dental assistants, office managers, general public come together in one place for one purpose. They want to help their fellow man get care, dental care.
There's no qualifier for who we are going to treat and who we're not going to treat. It's for everybody.
This is a free event for the communities, and I think the group has seen roughly 1,600 people. It's millions of dollars worth of care, and all of it is provided in this 2-day event.
The people need dental services. They need dental care. So we're treating a population that otherwise would not get dental care.
I'm a little nervous, but I feel comfortable. The people here have made me very comfortable.
Absolutely great. I can't believe that they're going to do this for us.
I've been talking about it all day and night, dude. I can't wait, man. I'll be able to smile again, dude.
Fillings, extractions. I've had some root canals done in past years. I wouldn't have teeth anymore if it wasn't for you guys doing this every year.
I think I would grow up to be like helping, y'all, like how y'all did with others.
It took a year of planning, fundraising. All of this is done by volunteers. Nobody is getting paid, and they're spending their entire weekend giving back to the community.
Everybody here is volunteering. They want to be here, they feel good about being here, and they share it, and they're happy.
I can't tell you how that feels. You have to feel it for yourself. Me personally, I get more out of it than I ever put in. The most important thing we do is give people some dignity and remind them that there's people that care. That's what we do.
Even if we're able to change one person's life, that's very important to me.
We take them in and we get those bad teeth extracted, and now that we're doing some dentures, they go out with the biggest smile you have ever seen. An opportunity to really show someone that we in dentistry care.
It makes me realize this is why I do what I do. I want to do everything I can to help them succeed in helping the public get the care that they need.
We have a saying within our group that this is the best 2 days of dentistry all year long.
This is the heart of the Florida Dental Association.